Hello guys, it's Garot from here, and today I'm going to do a bike check on my Fitbike Penny 1. And as you see, we got the Fitbike frame, and we have the Fitbike pedals, Fitbike seat, the adjustable seat there. And we got the chrome ollie top tube and chrome ollie stem. We got the Penny 1 handlebars. We got the nice 2.3 tires for the fit bikes. We have the I'm not sure what kind of rims those are. I'm pretty sure they're Odyssey though. And got our nice red fit bike chain. Got the nice 3-piece cranks here. We have a Walmart brand thing to hold down my brake line. And the crappy reflectors. And that was my bike check on my Fitbike Penny 1.